Hi, and welcome to Game Development with Corona SDK. Throughout this course, we'll be using Corona SDK to develop mobile games that we can publish to iTunes, Google Play, Amazon App Store, and more. We'll learn how to build a defense-style game from scratch, take a look at ways to monetize your game, add some polish, and finally, publish your game. Before we dive into anything else, let's take a look at the game. In the iPad preview, you will see our game is going to be called Ninjas vs. Pirates. From the menu screen, you see that we have 3 buttons: a play button, an upgrades button, and a button to mute the sound. Before we hit play, let's check out the upgrades scene. On the upgrades scene, we give the player 2 options. They can buy the first upgrade using in-game cash to make their ninja throw ninja stars faster, or they can purchase the second upgrade to get more lives. We'll place a max rank of both upgrades to limit how fast the ninja can throw ninja stars and how many lives the player can have. For now, let's go ahead and purchase 1 rank of the more lives upgrade. Let's go back to the menu and let's hit play. The first thing I'm going to do is pause the game so I can show you how the game is laid out. On the right hand side, you will see the player's ninja character. The ninja will throw ninja stars from the right to the left to stop the pirates from taking over the ship. In the bottom right, we will have a counter to keep track of how much money the player has earned. For every pirate the player stops, they will earn $10. In the bottom left, you will see a heart that shows the number of lives the player has. Every game will start the player with 1 life, and for every additional rank of more lives, the player will have an additional heart. Since we have purchased 1 rank of more lives, the player has 2 lives. The player will also lose hearts if the pirate gets past the ninja or runs into the ninja. Now let's return to the game. The player can move up and down the screen by simply tapping a lane. When the player taps a lane, the ninja will move to the appropriate lane. We don't have to worry about a shoot button because the ninja will automatically shoot ninja stars. As you've probably noticed, the pirates come out pretty slowly at first and their frequency gets faster over time. This will help incentivize players to purchase upgrades in the upgrades screen and keep playing. In the next video, we will take a look at what you'll need for this course.